Hi everyone, this is Sathar Ali here. We are going to learn les articles définis today, definite articles in French. You also know that in English we have articles. Definite articles, we have only one definite article in English. But in French, we have three. I'm not kidding. We have le, la, les. It means the, the. They are all same in their meanings. Why is it so? Because anything and everything in French language, under the sun or anywhere in this world, maybe the universe, the cosmos, if it is a noun, it will be having a gender. So if you're talking about moon, maybe stars, maybe your desk, bench. So if it is masculine form, you will use le. If it's feminine form, it is la. And we cannot simply understand which one is masculine and which one is feminine form. It is there in French. We will have to know that. We will learn it. And if they are plural, if you're talking about a masculine form and it has got a plural form, it will be les, and la, for that the plural form will be les. So they are same. Masculine, le, feminine, la, masculine, plural, les, feminine, plural, les. Now livre. Livre is book, the book. Livre is masculine, so we use le livre. It is le livre. And the plural form of that is les livres, the books. And let's come to this feminine part. La maison. Maison is feminine, house. So the house. And plural form of is the houses. The houses. Les maisons. I think that is clear to you. And now we will come to this part. Okay. And this part is an exception. Even if you have a masculine form, you have a feminine form. If it is before a vowel, devant une voyelle, before a vowel, ou, a, h, muet, or an mute h. In French, there are many words which start with h sound, but most of the time they will be mute. In hotel, it will be hotel. H won't be pronounced. Hospital, in French it is hôpital. So H won't be pronounced. Okay, so now if it is a masculine form, l'arbre. Arbre is masculine. Le arbre. We cannot say le arbre because this is a vowel form and this word starts with a vowel. So this is contracted. E is taken out and you put an apostrophe here and becomes l'arbre, the tree. And l'école. École is feminine form. École. Here again vowel is there and here la école. La école, we cannot say la école. A is removed and it gets contracted. Now it is l'école. Even if it is like that, in plural form there is no any change. Les arbres. We will have to use les arbres, the trees. Les écoles, the schools. So they all have same forms. So don't consider that we have 4 articles, we have only 3 articles. This is an exception. Okay, in some special cases we use that. Okay, so that is all about les articles définis.